Cherokee.
And if you don't, you'll
4385,
get in trouble. Alright, so why don't you start bringing it around.
Good morning,
Go 270.
Starcheck 731, 245. Starcheck 731, looks for departure, radar contact, climb maintain 6000. 731, 6000. Starcheck 731, traffic 12 o'clock and 4 miles orbiting over Long Valley Airport. Appears to be northeastbound to KH 2400. Starcheck 731, looking for traffic, over by Wyoming at 2.4.
Okay, 275.
Starcheck 731, traffic 12 o'clock, 2 miles northeastbound out to KH 2900, climbing. 731, I'm heading 250, 290, maybe that way. Traffic in sight, I'll turn left. Starcheck 731, right.
Perfect. Good hands. They see these things coming up. Now they're actually, 1,500 feet below us, but they look awful close, don't they? See them?
Yeah.
Okay, I've got the airplane. I'm going to slow us down, and our flap speed is 120.
731, traffic no factor. When able, proceed direct to Hazelton, VOR on course. 731, Hazelton, on course.
Once we get the flaps down, this will be more stable in the approach. Bingo. So now you'll see this, as we start to turn inbound, this will change from back course to front course. Now there's a glide slope. Okay. So we're left of course, in other words, that means steer left. As you can see, we're still on the left side of this. So if the arrow's on the left, it means steer left. If the arrow's above the middle, it means you're above the glide slope and you've got to steer down.
Okay.
We're not settled yet. When we cross JISAG, we should be at 3,900 feet.
About 4385, traffic no factor.
And I'll put it up. We're looking for 12 inches.
Cherokee 01 Echo, traffic no factor. Cherokee 01 Echo.
Okay. So now it is your airplane. Go ahead. I will control the power. So don't push down too much because you want it to be just about. We haven't gotten to the glide slope exactly yet. At JISAG, so keep it up a little bit like that. And I need a little more power because we need we're looking for 100 knots. Once you put the nose down, I'm going to trim it down just a little bit for you. So you see how this is coming? We're coming into the funnel and it's about ready to point us down. All right, now we're on the funnel. And the runway is out there somewhere. I don't see it, to be honest with you.
Oh, yeah.
So that's typical. All right, so now I'm bringing back the power. Now I'm going to trim it down just a little bit for you. So you're looking for this, like right on top of that 2.5 degree arrow. You see, or that 2.5 degree line, that little line. So just try keeping it there and keep the wings level. Okay?
There's 2 Alpha Delta, Wilkes Airport, 12 o'clock, 900 miles.
Inside.
There's 2 Alpha Delta, contact tower 120.1.
Over to tower 12 Delta, thanks. Wilkes Tower, Sears 22 Alpha Delta, 8 mile final, runway 4.
November 2 Alpha Delta, Wilkes-Barre Tower, wind 1105, runway 4, crew land.
Clear down to little line 12 Delta. All right, so see the airport there? I can just see it now. The opening is a little bit to the right. Beyond the big buildings.
No, I don't see it.
Okay, I do. But anyhow, good. So a little bit down. You want to get down, chase that. Not too up. Perfect. A little to the right. The arrows to the right means steer right. Perfect. And I'll start calling out altitudes. Our missed approach altitude for this, I think, is 1,000 feet. Missed approach is 1,200 feet, so 2,000 above. That's fine, just gentle movements. Keep it on that 2 degree down. 2 degree down, that's good. Perfect. Just put it down a little bit lower because you're a little bit high until that arrow gets closer to the middle.
Yeah.
All right, that's good. So you want to, if you keep it around 300 feet per minute, that's what the glide slope is. Keep it a little bit more than that till that centers, and you're correcting laterally. Perfect. All right. You may be correcting a little bit too much laterally. Can you see the runway?
Oh yeah, there it is. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, perfect. You want to correct.
You gotta get down, right?
Yeah, okay. Bring your power back a little bit. Just push it down, keep it at like 700-800 feet per minute for a few seconds there. Perfect. So you see how you're tracking, you're going to get off course, so
yeah.
You want that white line to be lined up with the green arrows. So turn it to the left some. Because you're tracking too far to the right, you overcorrected now.
Yep.
Nice. All right, that's good. Speed's a little bit good. I'll work the speed. 1,000 above. Okay, now don't overcorrect. Now just level it off right about there. You want that track to be right about there. It'll close that distance by being just to the left of the line. Perfect. A little bit high. Push it down just a bit. Perfect. 900 above. Perfect.
Seems like we're coming in left. Are we going to get pushed over?
It is. We're going to be pushed over. So go, you got to bear to the left. So your track is, this ILS actually bends, if you can believe that. So a little bit to the right. Perfect. A little bit more to the right. That's good. 700 above. Good. Good. Keep it up. A little bit low. A little bit low. You never want to get low. And don't overcorrect to the right. That's good. A little bit low. That's good. A little bit of power there to keep your speed up. That's good. 500 above. A little bit to the right. Or left, I'm sorry. Other left. Good. A little airspeed there. Good. 400 above. 300 above. Okay. 200 above. Now why don't you just fly in visually now? Alright. Just head for that. If you keep the two red lights, get it lined up in the center line. If you're looking for 2 red lights, and the lower you get, each light will change. Okay. So if you get 3 red lights, you're too low, okay? Okay. That's good. Runway in sight, gear down, clear that out. I'm going to give you flaps. You're going to balloon up just a little bit.
So I want to fight that, or just let it have it?
No, push it down. Push it down. See how you got all white lights now?
Yep.
So I just make it full flaps to make the landing easier. We're looking for 80 knots now. Actually, we're looking for 75. Don't push it too hard. We're close to the ground. I think we're going to die.
No!
Power's coming back, looking for 80 knots. Looking for 80 knots, that's good. A little slow. Don't push down so much close to the ground. Good. Wings level. 80 knots. 80 knots. 80 knots, good. Flare up just a little bit.
Yeah.
Nice.
Good job.
Alright.
Not that hard, right?
I took a video.
I think if you had to keep track of all that, yeah. I could see it being very hard.
Yeah, but what happens is, like driving a car, you know, it all becomes second nature.
Woohoo!
That's cool. That's a lot of fun.
And Tower 12 Delta, request back taxi.
Number 4 Alpha Delta, turn turn left on runway 10, taxi to runway 4 via Bravo, and see destination.
10 Bravo, what is it called? Sater or something? Saker.
Remember, you want to go back to active.
No.
And over 4 maybe I just understood you made it seem like you wanted to go back to the active for departure. You want to go to Sager Aviation?
Yeah, that's right. It's a full stop. Sorry.
North 4 no problem. Taxi via Bravo to Sager Aviation. You're going to come right down Bravo and make a slight right-hand turn in front of the tower, and you'll see signs for the FBO, and it's the first hangar on the right with the blue awning, and the Unicom is 2295.
Appreciate your help. Thank you. Nice people. So you see, I mean, that